Good afternoon, friends. Happy December 12th to all of you. Friends, there's a very big and important day that is coming up for all Social Security recipients. Monthly benefits are finally getting their largest raise in many years. And President Biden has also laid out a brand new plan to strengthen Social Security and provide more financial relief to senior citizens. So friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video, especially if you receive monthly benefit checks. Also know that I'll be giving away a $50 Walmart gift card every day this month of December. If you would like to enter these giveaways, simply click and like several of my videos, and please comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos, friends, that you comment on, the more likely your chances of winning these daily giveaways. All right, friends, so many workers are used to getting a raise at the start of a new year. Senior citizens on Social Security often have the same experience. Each year, Social Security benefits are subject to the cost of living adjustments to help make sure that benefits are able to keep pace with inflation. Many seniors get all or most of their retirement income from Social Security alone. So in order for those seniors to be able to maintain their standard of living as the costs rise, they need a boost to their benefits. In 2022, Social Security benefits received a 5.9% COLA due to high levels of inflation. At the time, it was called the most generous raise to arrive in decades. But 2023's COLA is set to far outpace 2022's. You may be in line for an even larger boost to your monthly Social Security check. Next year, Social Security benefits will be eligible for an 8.7% COLA. That will take the average monthly benefit from $1,681 all the way up to $1,827. And if you want to know how much higher your first Social Security check will be in 2023, all you need to do is apply that 8.7% raise. According to economists, in most years, simply applying a COLA to your current benefit is not enough to determine how much your payments will grow. That is because Medicare Part B hikes commonly eat into COLAs, leaving seniors on both Social Security and Medicare with less of a raise to look forward to. But for next year, and for the first time in many years, the cost of Medicare Part B is actually declining. So Social Security recipients don't have to worry about higher Medicare costs eroding the raise that they're looking forward to. A higher monthly Social Security paycheck could do a lot for you financially, but whether you'll actually gain buying power as a result of next year's raise will hinge largely on how inflation trends. The whole reason 2023's COLAs is so generous is that the inflation levels have been high this year. But if inflation starts to cool, seniors on Social Security will benefit financially. But if inflation picks up once again, the opposite could happen. Beneficiaries could end up losing buying power despite a very nice raise. That's actually what happened in 2022, though benefits got a 5.9% lift to the start of the year. The pace of inflation rendered that 5.9% COLA somewhat useless. So the hope is that for seniors on Social Security, we'll be in for a repeat in 2023. Friends, the key word for this video is mistletoe. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is mistletoe, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you're also subscribed to my channel. Remember, friends, that the more videos that you watch and leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning these daily giveaways. During a recent event, President Biden said, Social Security and Medicare are more than government programs. They are a promise. Work hard and contribute. And when the time comes, things will be a little easier. But Biden also stated that Republicans are coming for Social Security and Medicare, taking aim at a proposal from Senator Rick Scott, the GOP Senate campaign chairman, which would examine federal programs like Medicare and Social Security on a 5-year basis. Rick Scott's proposal includes sunsetting all federal legislation within 5 years, which could include programs like Medicare and Social Security. Rick Scott also noted that his plan does not intend to end the programs, but perhaps rework them. Advocates for expanding Social Security have been outspoken in their rejection of the Republican plans for the program. The White House pointed out that 63 million Americans benefit from Medicare. 65 million Americans benefit from Social Security, and another 89 million from Medicaid. The U.S. president also made the case that congressional Democrats have taken significant steps to lower health care costs, especially for seniors. Biden touted the benefits of Democrats' Inflation Reduction Act, specifically the annual cap of $2,000 for out-of-pocket prescription costs and $35 per month insulin price cap for individuals that's covered by Medicare. So friends, do you think that our current government has done enough to make positive changes to Social Security? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my greatest and beautiful dear friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Monday afternoon. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here and watching the new videos that I post daily. Friends, I want you all to know that I greatly appreciate every single one of you. I will be announcing a new winner for the Walmart gift card giveaway in a video later today. So please make sure that you enter the giveaways simply by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. My friends, the more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning these daily giveaways.
I must consent to address the House and to revise and extend my remarks.
Without objection, the gentleman is recognized for 1 minute.
Madam Speaker, this Christmas, Americans are facing hard choices about the gifts that they can afford to buy their friends and their loved ones. The skyrocketing cost of everyday goods and services will now cost the American families over $700 each month. According to a survey published by the Associated Press, 1 in 3 Americans are now reported to be falling behind on their bills and on their expenses. It's now more clear than ever that American families cannot afford President Biden's failed policies. Reversing this inflation will only happen when we stop the tax and spend spree that the liberals in this body have championed. American families will only be financially secure when President Biden stops wasting money and wasting the taxpayers' dollars. We need to return to fiscal restraint and responsibility. We need to stop spending money that we do not have on policies that we do not need.